BNB just triggered a double undervalued signal on my forecasting system. And when that happens, I pay attention. On my dashboard, BNB is flashing undervalued on both the hourly and the daily time frame. That's what I call a combo signal. On the daily chart, we've got about a 26% gap to the upper forecast band. That's serious upside potential. I'm not saying it rockets tomorrow, but this is statistically a high probability zone. So what I'm doing? I'm launching a $100 grid bot. I am using the smart parameters to auto-set the PyNX BNB bot. That gives me small consistent profit per grid while we wait for upside. If we even move halfway back toward the upper band, that's solid gains. This is exactly when grid bots shine, volatility inside a range. If you want to follow the signals yourself, the link to my forecasting site is below. And if you don't have a PyNX account, the official link is also in the description. This is not financial advice. I'm just showing you how I play these setups. Let's see what BNB does.